Hello students, welcome to the channel. Myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the standard 9th mathematics. Okay, so let's start. As per the previous lecture, we already learned about the coordinate geometry. And the coordinate geometry, we have to draw the graph of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, we have learned about the linear equation in two variables, and we have already drawn a graph on the linear equation in two variables. Okay, so as per the today's session, we are going on the how to draw a graph using word problems that are given in the questions, and we have learned more about the how to solve linear equation in two variable using graph. Okay, so let's start. We are starting the graph using the linear equation in two variables, and we have to plot them using coordinate geometry. Okay, so let's start. My first question is the taxi fare in the city as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. The fare is rupees 8. For the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer, distance as x kilometer and total fare as rupees 5 and total fare as rupees y. Okay, write the linear equation for this graph, this question. Write the linear equation for this question and draw the graph using them. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we have to take a value of the x and y, and we have to draw after them the graph. First of all, make an equation. Okay, first of all, we have to start with the equation. Therefore, here is telling that first kilometer fare is rupees 8. For the first kilometer, there is 8 rupees. After that, the subsequent distance, it is 5 rupees 5 per kilometer. Okay, then that is for second kilometer, that is there is rupees 8 plus 5, that is 13. For third kilometer, that already for rupees for 18. For fourth kilometer, there is rupees 23. Okay, and so on. So from this condition, okay, from all of this condition, we have to make an equation. That is, when I subtract 5 from the 8, because I have a 5 rupees per kilometer in subsequently. So when I dispute 5 from the 8, therefore remaining is rupees 3. remaining is rupees 3. So from the first there is my equation made by here, so that from the first I have choose that rupees 5 per kilometer for every kilometer, okay, and rupees 3 are extra, and rupees 3 is extra to count. We have to count rupees 3 as a extra. Now for kilometer we have to choose that x for the every kilometer. So for x, that is into 5 rupees, okay. When I go to 2 kilometer, therefore 2 5s are 10 and plus 3 rupees is extra. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13. When I go from the 3 kilometer, therefore 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 3, that is 18. When I go from for 4 kilometer, therefore x is equal to 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, that is 23. So understand? Okay, understood? So what is my value? That is my total value is rupees y. That is my total value is rupees y. So therefore my answer is 5x plus 3 is equal to y. Therefore my equation is 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, this is my equation. Okay students, so now I'll using this equation, standard equation, and I have to solve them to the graph. First of all you have to find the some solutions of this equation. For this one we have to write the some solutions, and we have to represent some solution at here. Now I will represent some solutions at here. Okay. So when I take x equal to 1, so my y, value of my y is 1, 5 is 5, 5 plus 3, 8. When I take value of x minus 1, that is minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2. When I take x as a 0 kilometer, so 0 plus 5 or 0 into 5, that is 0, 0 plus 3, that is 3. Okay. And now I will take the value as a minus 2. So minus 2 into 5, minus 10 plus 3, that is minus 10 plus 3, that is minus 7. Okay. Clear student? Now we have to represent these points, these coordinates on the graph. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay. In y we have from 8 to minus 7, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Okay. Now when I take x equal to 1, my y is 8. So my point is located here, okay, from 1 to the 8. Now x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. Therefore, my point is here. Now take x equal to 0, then y equal to 3. That is, my point is here. And when I take x equal to minus 2, that is y equal to minus 7. So I'll plot it here. Okay, students. Now join all the coordinates. All the coordinates. You found that there is a straight line. That is represent the equation. Students, at here you have to see that here is my answer is as a straight line. Okay, this is my linear equation in two variable, and this is my line of this equation. This is my graph of this equation. So I'll write that as a 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 on the line. If you want to write, then it's okay. Then if you don't have to write them, then that's okay. Okay. Five x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So clear, students? This question we have to clear. Now we have to go for the second question. So this is my question, that is, give equation of two line passing through 2, 14. Give the equation that two lines are passing from the point 2, 14. Here clearly in the question, here clearly say that there is a two lines. There is a two line passing through the one point. Okay. Give the equation of two lines passing through 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? How many more lines are there and why? Okay. So in the question you have to see that in the question there is clearly said that there is a two line passing through the given point. Okay. Whenever we take two lines, here you have to clearly see that here is my one equation are we have to found, and there is a for only one line that we have to draw. Okay. For the two lines, how many? For the two lines, how many equations we have to found? We have to found two equations for the two lines. Okay. If you have to draw three lines in the graph, there is must to be three equations are available on the question. Okay. So here it says that two lines that passing through the 2, 14. So what I mean that there is a two equations are given. There is a two equations have to follow, that is passing through 2 comma 14. Okay, here is a 2 comma 14, that is 2 is a value of x and y is a value of 14. 2 is a value of the x and 14 is a value of the y. So now take an equation, okay, take an equation that has to form to the for the value of x as a 2 and value of y as a 14. So I'll put the value, I'll put the equation, that is x plus y, that is 2 plus 14 is 16. This is my first equation that is passing from these two lines. And the second equation, that is y minus x equal to 14 minus 2, that is 2. So my two equations are here, that is that passing through the 2 comma 14. Okay, you have to choose any kind of the equations and you have to form any kind of the equations, but you must to understand that there is a value of 2 and a value of x is 2 and value of y is 14 has not changed their solutions. Okay, you have to always take that equations, you have to always take that equations. Okay, so you have to see that I have taken these two equations for these two values. Okay, now can you take more equations? Can you make more equations from these 2 points? Yes, I'll make more equations like 7x equal to y, that is my, therefore 7x minus y equal to 0. This is my another equation, right? I'll make 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6 y 14, y is equal to 14 minus 3 2s are 6, 14 minus 6, that is 14 minus 6, that is 8. So my equation is y minus 3x equal to 8. Okay, when you take more than one equations, when you have to form more than one equations for the two points, okay, for the given point, then what you say that there is many of the lines that passing through the given point. Okay, here is a must to understand the simple thing, that is 2 comma 14 are given as a one point on the graph. 2 comma 14, that is a one point on the graph. Okay, so now for this one point, how many lines are passing through this one point? I'll say that there is a infinite lines passing through this one point. Okay, infinite lines that is passing through the given one point. So my answer is, how many more lines are there? That is infinite. That is infinite, many lines that is fine from the given one point. Okay, infinitely many points, that is infinite many lines that is drawn. Okay, and why? Because always there is a one kind of the theorem, or there is a one kind of fact you have to say that is in the, you have to learn from the 5th chapter. You have to learn in the 5th chapter, that is there is only one point, there is only one point, from there infinite lines that pass through them. Okay, so now we have to go on the second questions. If the point we have to go on the second question. Another question is Okay students, there is a one important question for the 1 mark, that is find the value of the find the value of the k, for the find the value of k. So this is if the point 2 comma minus 2, if the point 2 comma minus 2 lies on the graph, so of linear equation, that is equation is 5x plus ky equal to 4, find the value of k. Okay, find the value of k, find the value of k. Okay, the given point 2 comma minus 2 lies on the graph. For this equation, find the value of k. So for the given point there is a 2 comma minus 2, 2 is the value of x and minus 2 is value of y. So I will take as x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. Okay. Now I will put the values in the 5x plus ky equal to 4. Therefore 5 into 2 plus k into minus 2 equal to 4. Okay. 5 2s are 10, minus 2k equal to 4. Therefore 10 minus 4 is equal to 2k. Therefore 10 minus 4 is 6 equal to 2k. So my answer is k is equal to 3. My value of the k is 3. Okay. Clear students? Students, please note down the all things that today you have to learn. Okay. So as per the today's lecture, we are learning about the how to represent linear equation of two variable in the graph. Okay, in the graph of the word problems, using the word problems, and how to make an equation from the word problems. Second thing is that if there is a two values, if there is a values are given, if values are given, x and y's values are given, then how to represent in the equation and how to find the some values of the missing alphabets, that is a, b, c or any kind of the k. Okay. So students, I hope you have to understand all things in the today's lecture. So till then, goodbye and stay blessed.